What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today we got the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 on deck, and it's a case video. Shout out to the good folks over at Caseology. They actually sent your boy out BG a case for the Fold 5. It is the Parallax, and as you can see, it's in a matte black colorway. So I really like the Parallax, and I've done this on many of devices, guys. I've done this case a couple times, and I really like matte black. So I'm definitely interested in this case and seeing what it's about. Box not saying too much. It is made from 90% recycled material, so that's dope. Shout out to Caseology for that. But let's get into it. Very easy unpackaging. All we have to do is pull up on this arrow. Let's see what we got going on in here, guys. As you can see, we got a nice matte black case here and some more packaging. Loving this colorway already. Now you also get some instructions and you get some extra stickers in case you want to take the case off and reapply it to clean your device, whatever you need to do. So shout out to them for that, for providing these extras. Now let's just go ahead and take a look at this case, guys. As you can see, we got the front frame and we got the rear frame. And you know, with a foldable like the Fold 5, it's all about the rear frame, really, how that's looking. And this is one of the reasons I love the Parallax, guys. As you can see, it's got that textured back. It's got a nice feel to it. It's a polycarbonate case, but it's got like a soft touch and a nice texture that's easy to grip. Grip is a big part of drop protection. With grip, you might not drop your device in the first place. As you can see, we got some cutouts and some rings and stuff around the camera and the lenses. Caseology branding with a matte black bar. Nice touch. I like the way this looks. Nice bolstered up front frame also. And if you notice, we got a lot of grip. We got some Caseology branding down bottom, and we've got grip on deck. Again, grip is a big part of drop protection. It's got grip going all the way around this thing. And we got tape pre-installed, so we can just remove this tape and we can go ahead and throw this on the device and see how it's looking. Now I'm feeling this one, guys. This is a good look right here. I like this matte black a lot. I like this Caseology branding with this black bar, because it kind of go, I got the Phantom Black Z Fold 5 and it just goes with that really well. The texture back is just such a nice touch on this case. It's got like a soft touch to it, but still like a grippy type texture to it. As you can see, the flash and the cameras are protected. There is the raised up lip there. The lip may not look as raised up on my device because I actually have lens protective rings around the camera lenses. So if I didn't have those, you could see the real difference of the raised lip and the camera sensors on the back of the Z Fold 5. Nice opening with a natural button touch for the volume rocker, and of course you're gonna have that for your power button / fingerprint scanner. Grips all over the place, but it's a nice big cutout too, so you can get straight to whatever you need to get to. But it's still bolstered up, guys. There's still some protection going on here. I feel like this will still protect this device in the drop. It does have some bolster to it, and I like that. Take a look at the bottom. We got the appropriate cutouts and they're all matched up. Now the front frame is doing its job. It is nice and bolstered up around the cover display, so you got a nice lip. Because a lot of times when you're walking around, when you're in positions where you might drop your device, a lot of times it's going to be closed. You don't open this up till you kind of like at your leisure or at your chilling or you sitting down. So you got a nice lip for the cover display to protect it in case of a drop. This is how the device is going to look open, guys. Just letting y'all know, showing y'all. Of course, no raised lip on the inside because this device closes flush. This is how the back of the device is going to look. Really good look, guys. This matte black with the Phantom Black is a really clean look. I'm really feeling this. Shout out to Caseology for sending this out, guys. This is the Parallax and matte black for the Z Fold 5. One thing I will say about this case, you must operate with those double-sided tapes, because if you're not rocking a double-sided tape, this case has a hard time staying on. But with double-sided tape, it's pretty shored up and on the device. This is your man BG Tech Life. Shout out to Caseology for sending this out. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. There will be a link down in the description. I'm out. Peace.